Hi, I'm Chanel, an associate lawyer with the State Connection Law Office. Today, I'm here to talk to you guys about what to do when you're making an offer on a house. When you're making an offer on a house, it's really important that you read through the contract to ensure that everything you want in the contract is there. One really important part to look at is unattached goods. Unattached goods are things that are going to be included with the contract that aren't the land or the house itself. A rule of thumb is that anything not included in this section of unattached goods won't be included with the house unless it's specifically mentioned. So it's really important to read through there and ensure that whatever you've seen that you want to be included in the property sale is there. This is things like dishwashers, laundry machines, play structures outside. If there's anything on the property that you would like to take with you that isn't the land or the house itself, you need to make sure that it's listed in the contract as being included in your sale. I hope you found this helpful. If you want more tips, please click on the link below to download our checklist. If you have any questions or want any help, please contact our office and we're happy to do so.